definitely not right.
We both got a lot of not right on.
Hi, sweeties! And we're back here because 49 has invited us to do the rating show again. This time it's gonna be much more special.
Yeah.
Instead of my wife just rating my outfits, we're gonna try on matching outfits.
Matching outfits. We're thrilled to do it, so let's get started.
Yay! Yeah, this doesn't work for me. I see what they were going for, but maybe it's just not the right size for me or something. But let's see what Eileen thinks of hers.
I love
Yours looks so much better!
I love it.
Yours is a better shade of green. I love it on you.
I love it. I feel like Kim Kardashian.
Yes! She would totally wear something like that, wouldn't she?
Forgive how this sounds. I think on me this looks like the fashion it's supposed to be, but on you it looks like an oversized coat. I think you look really pretty. I really do. I would say it's a 7 out of 10.
Well, I have different grades for you and for me. For me it's like -10. For you it's an 11. Ooh, so I'm not sure about it. I like the shape of it, but I'm not that crazy about the print. I mean, I like this part of the print, but not this part. But let's see what it looks like on Eileen. And I'm sure it's gonna look much better on her.
No.
Coming, baby. Damn, it's beautiful.
No, it doesn't fit right. Do you think?
I think it does. You have beautiful cleavage.
Thank you, darling. And cleavage matters.
Cleavage always matters.
I think it looks nice. I think it looks really nice.
I like the shape of it, but I don't like the print. It's a bit too much, I think.
It's almost sort of, it's not really, but there's a slight edge of Versace about it with this bit.
Except
But I like
it
that.
looks cheap.
No, it doesn't. No, it does. I think you look really pretty. I don't think it looks very good. I mean, I don't feel very comfortable. This keeps rolling up down here.
I think
But
it
I like
looks,
the idea.
I think it looks very nice. Okay, so that's definitely not right.
We both got a lot of not right on.
It looks like it could be kind of right on you, but on me you can really tell. Let's see. Yeah, that ain't it.
Try it on the other side.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
I think I look like a bad commercial for this outfit.
Oh my god, I love it. It's so cute. It's very different from all other dresses I have.
Hi, baby.
Oh my god, you
Hi,
look
darling.
amazing.
You look stunning. I love this on you, and it's perfect with your
It's
hair.
perfect. Honey. Turn around, turn around.
I didn't want to stand sideways. My bed's sticking out.
Oh, baby.
No, it's okay.
You shouldn't feel self-conscious. You're beautiful.
Oh, thank you, darling. You look stunning in this, and you're right. It's not your normal
Oh my
style,
God.
your usual thing.
I love it on you.
I love it on you too. This is a great summer thing, isn't it? You look stunning. Let me see. Oh, I see. Yeah, of course. Oh, I see how you did it. Oh,
Let's see. That's so cute.
I think it's
We look
adorable.
like we're conjoined twins. Like that because of the print.
I took most of the nutrients. I love it.
I
really-
think that's a 15 out of 10.
I think that's a 17 out of 10. You look gorgeous. You really do. You look beautiful. Well, that was fun.
Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching and have a very,
Very lovely day.
day.